This is Fannie, sitting on the back of the couch. She's all playing, and then as soon as the camera comes out, she stays still. You want to scratch? Huh? Yeah. Hi. Hi, babe. You want to scratch? Oh, she likes scratches. Yeah. Oh. My hand looks ginormous from that angle. No. Hi. Hi, Fannie. What's that? Is it a camera?
Snuggle bum, I think.
Yeah, snuggle bum. Snuggle bum.
You want to come see? Want to come see what it is? Oh, shoot. Don't bite it.
Snuggle bum.
Don't bite it. Where you going? Where you going? The lighting is terrible in here.
Come outside.
What?
You go outside.
No.
Fly.
No, don't be silly.
Fly.
Do you want to see your investment fly away and this beautiful little bird?
Fly. You can't fly. At all.
We could get her a harness. She's too cute. She's too cute. Oh shoot! She just did her fanny tail. You missed it.
Yeah.
Say bye bye.